Welcome back to 99 Bitcoins. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, we're looking at, of course, the Bitcoin and its fierce trajectory right now, because we have like basically two parties. We have the people on the one side who are super bullish still, and people on the other side who are super bearish. I like to be somewhere in the middle, and I think somewhere around $60,000 is not bullish, it's not bearish, it's just what seems right. So yeah, I just want to talk about why this could potentially happen in 2026. And you know, if we are starting the beginning of the downward cycle, then sure, we can indeed see Bitcoin traverse down for another 300 to 400 days. And I'm saying it so casually. Well, that's because, well, you know, the next 300 or 400 days could be one of the best sort of undervaluation opportunities of a lifetime that we'll ever experience again. It could mean between 50 and 65k Bitcoin. If that happened, personally, I'd be super bullish. I'd want to ape in. But of course, you know, we don't know the future. And looking at the market right now, we can really see Bitcoin. It's still hovering below its 50-week moving average, which is this white line right here. So this white line, as long as we're below it, we're still pretty much bearish. So right now we need to retest because we're below it, and this is downward trajectory. You can also see, just like this chart, you can see the double top finish is effectively what we had last time in 2021. Are we getting it again for this 2025-2026 wrap up? How similar it looks, the duration, the pattern, just everything. It could be a possibility that this is how we might end this market. Obviously, we've got extreme fear in the market, which is something that doesn't happen that often. A lot of lucrative smart money investors use this fear to scoop up a lower cost to get a better average on their entry for a lot of projects out there. But at the moment, you know, it's very difficult to say. So I think if in 2026 we do come down to the sort of 56 to 67k mark, I think it makes sense because naturally our logarithmic regression chart, the green area does kind of tap into this territory here, and that would also reflect seeing historically Bitcoin come back down into its green. Logarithmic regression window would give us an undervaluation phase, which would be worth, you know, anywhere around that sort of 60 to 70k mark. So these are the areas that I'm looking for. Personally, not interested to accumulate heavily until we do see these regions happen. Maybe they'll never happen. Maybe I'm missing out on something massive right now without even knowing. But yeah, we can see today we've got a lot of coins up. Market up 7%, which is really good. 91.1k Bitcoin, 3k Ethereum, $873 BNB. And yeah, guys, just want to say as well, if you're someone that wants a new wallet to use, completely free, Best Wallet has got you. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial. The link is down below. Have a little look at it and see what you think. Great little wallet here where you can do a lot of cool things on the application on your smartphone. So it's certainly worth having a little look at. Also, Ethereum over here, can see tap back into $3,000. It's had a pretty good day actually when we look at the 24-hour window. You can see Ethereum is now up 10%. It's still trading in this falling wedge pattern, which is typically quite a bearish one. But in general, I am super excited to see what Ethereum's going to do, eyeing up sub $2,000 region for dollar cost average. But, you know, this thing could still also fly up to $5,000 before we get there. So that's what's so crazy about this market. Do you want to say, you know, trade safely, guys, don't over risk. I just want to say thanks for watching the video. You know, thanks for being here. It's been a real pleasure, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now.